All right.
Hello, how we doing? We're gonna try the body armor, AR, AK. We're gonna start with AR first. We'll see. I predict it's not gonna go through. So start with AR. Safe. هذا رمى ولا؟ Man. I think still there. Yeah, I can feel it. No penetration. It's hot. Can you feel it? Yeah. So AK, I think it's gonna go through.
There's only 15 feet.
Okay.
It's an AR.
Good? We're gonna try the AK. Now this is gonna go through for sure.
Let's see.
Safety back. We're gonna check. No? No penetration. What? I can't believe it. AK, no penetration. AR, I don't know what's going on. AK is supposed to be stronger. But the bullet, I can see the bullet for the AR. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, we're gonna do the last thing, which is the slug. For the shotgun has a lot of energy. I don't think it's gonna go through, no way. But just, you know, because last time the 3A went through it, this time we're gonna try the same one. So,
Always remember, safety first.
this is a double-aught buck. This is the slug. One piece. Okay. See that energy? What the hell? Let me put it on safe. Hold on. Let's see. Slug. No penetration. See, this is when the slug came out last time. I improved it with ceramic. It stopped the AR, AK, and now the slug is working, baby. How about some handguns? So we have 40, and he's got 9mm, right? Gonna try 40. Nothing.
It's really
You know
working.
what? For the sake of it, I'm gonna try AR one more time. because the AR almost made it through. I'm gonna try it one more time. Safety on. Safety back. Yeah, I think AR is making it through. Maybe, barely. But I don't see anything here, so it's still in there somewhere, but for some reason has more energy than the AK. I don't know why. AK should be more strong. Yep, it's working. Here's the slug. Yep, no penetration. All right.